Guys, if you are a Redmi user but you don't know about erase tool, then you're very unlucky. Erase tool comes inbuilt in your gallery of especially Redmi devices when you go to edit some picture. Now you must have faced this issue when you have clicked a nice picture and go for editing in gallery and you see some unwanted thing in your background, but you have no other way just to delete that picture from your gallery because you can't simply remove that unwanted thing from your background. Now if it is so guys and you are a Redmi user, then erase tool does the job for you. Now in this episode I will talk about the same. So with that being said, let's get started. Now guys, you can see that it's my Redmi 5A, and now let's open its camera. Okay, and here I'm going to click this picture and I'm going to take SP Tech TV written on the white sheet as the unwanted thing which I want to remove or erase it off. So guys, here's my picture and let's erase that unwanted thing written SP Tech TV. So I go to edit. Lot of option is there, you might have tried this all. Then I go for erase. Now after coming to erase option, I choose the pointer size. Let me make it small because okay, now you can see that here it comes like this. So I draw the erase option over the unwanted thing which I want to remove. Now see the magic. This has not affected my picture, but SP Tech TV is removed. I go back and show you again. SP Tech TV is done. Now you can simply save it, and after saving this, the picture comes without the unwanted thing. Yeah, here it is. Now you can share it with your friends and do everything you want, and like this you can erase all the unwanted things present in your picture. So guys, if you like this video and if you think this video was helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and share with your